and today we're going to be fishing at the creek. I'm also going to make a video later today, so I don't know if that's going to come out today or tomorrow, but it will come out. It's going to be catfishing and some brim fishing, so hope you enjoy this video and stay tuned because I'm probably going to catch quite a few fish today. Got one. First fish. Changed the depth a little bit, went a little bit deeper the next cast. Pulled out this little guy, so it might have been just the depth I was fishing. It might have been too shallow. You know, this is a shallow creek. I only had it about half a foot up, at least the bobber, so it might have been what was making it hard for me to catch fish, but now that I changed it, it should be a little bit better. Yeah, it definitely was the depth. Next cast, another fish. It's either the depth, I'm just getting really lucky 2 times in a row, but that's a pretty little guy. We're gonna toss him back, catch some more. Okay, so we're gonna change spots now. Looks like he caught a nice little sunfish. Oh, that was a good bite. I missed it. I wasn't paying no attention.
See a little black spot. There you go.
Oh. Little bitty sunfish. It was actually a really small guy. He almost got hooked directly in the eye, but he didn't. Had a little sunfish.
Oh, that thing was light.
These are the hooks we're using. You can tell they're pretty small. They're size 10. And if you want to catch small fish, you need to downgrade the size of your hooks to have a better hookup ratio. So just going to tell you guys that. But that's the nicer one. That's about the biggest one we've caught today. You can catch or cast much farther than I can. Oh, there's a little guy.
There's one.
He doubled up.
I ain't got a creek chub though. Yeah.
Seem to be biting at this spot. It's a good move.
Got another one right here. Oh, he got off.
This one seems like a nicer one.
Oh, that's a small one. That's a pretty one. Hey, he got off of there. He got off right there. You see it? I'm around in circles. Oh, I got it.
Got him. Double up.
The creek chub.
These are the 2 main fish species in this creek.
Here, I got mine all tangled up.
Here. These are the 2 main species. This and that.
Oh.
Got one.
I'm sorry, Isaiah.
Well, that was a mess, but another one.
Is my bobber off? Oh no, it didn't make a mess. I think it's funny because these fish over here ain't even like taking it under. If you just pull up on it after you get this little nibble. Creek chub, I think. I'm catching all the creek chubs.
A little guy. That one's a little bit better though. Oh, got one. Another double.
Chub.
His is a little bit bigger than mine. We're just pulling fish after fish out of this little spot. This little guy. He's having a much better hookup ratio, and we're pretty much using the same thing.
You probably got one or something. I had one nippling on my nipple. Hey, you got him out there. Get that sucker in here. I might need a new piece of worm. Let's get a doubly. Told you. Okay, I got it.
Got one. This is going to be my last fish for the video, so hope you enjoyed the video and see you guys next time. Bye.